Hey everybody, it's Brian C. Dunn, your lazy life coach with Sage Life Solutions, and I am going to be at the Best You Expo at the LA Convention Center on March 20th and 21st, and on March 20th from 4 p.m. to 4:20 p.m. I am going to be doing a presentation on havening, basically how to do a factory reset to the cells of a traumatized brain. It is amazing new therapies that you will just be astounded by. And the results I get are tremendous and amazing and phenomenal. And every time I do it, I'm blown away. So come and join me. I'm also going to have a booth there. I believe I'm right outside of the women's empowerment area. Come and look for me, Sage Life Solutions. I'm going to have a friend with me who I have helped using havening. She's a testimonial. Annie Blade, she is also the founder, one of the founders of the Worthy Women Warriors. And so she'll be able to share with you what they do. They help women who have been relegated to the roles of mother and wife and really haven't had their voice, helping them find their voice. It's really exciting, really neat stuff. I can't wait. This is a lifetime goal of mine to be there and visit with you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys mean the world to me. I can't even tell you enough. So the link will be in the description of how to go, when to go, where to go, and all of that. If you have any questions, just leave a comment or reach out to me. All right? I look forward to seeing every single one of you who are watching this video. Until we meet again, inhale relaxation. Exhale tension. And be well. Ooh.